Hey guys, welcome to Gardening Upbeat and I hope you are doing very well. Today we are going to see how to get more flowers on our vinca plants and how to keep them disease free. The stem canker disease is quite common, especially during the rainy season, and we would see how to avoid this so that our plants keep growing and blooming well. I have collected the seedlings from nursery and today I am going to plant them. Here are the important steps. Step number 1. Preparing a potting soil mix that works well for vinca. Here I am taking only two components. First one is 80% normal garden soil and 20% vermicompost. Please note my normal garden soil is already bit sandy. If it is not same with you, please add at least 25 to 30% sand in the potting soil mix. Vinca absolutely hates soil that retains water for much longer and the soil should dry out much faster after watering. Step number 2. Using a pot which is around 8 inch wider and 6 inch deeper, enough for a single plant, and if you like you can also use 6 inch wider and 6 inch deeper pot. Please note, in tropical places like India, vinca can be grown both in summer and in winter. The ideal temperature to grow vinca is around 24 degrees Celsius during the day and 18 to 21 degrees Celsius at night. It's a perennial or permanent flowering plant and best time to grow vinca is either February to March or September to October. I said two times because usually the plants which we grow in winter don't do that well in summer, and similarly the plants that we grow in summer don't do well in winter. So it's better to grow them in February March for summer blooms and in September October for winter blooms. Step number 3. Here I am going to add few important components. First one is 30 grams bone meal, and instead of this we can use rock phosphate. Second component is 30 grams bio or organic DAP. DAP stands for diammonium phosphate. Third component is 2 teaspoons of biofungicide. Applying this just to keep our plants fungus free. Please note I would repeat all the components once again in 60 days. It is not important to apply the same too frequently and avoid doing that. There is one more component to add but not now. For now, let's cover all the components with the same potting soil mix. Watering well, and from tomorrow onwards, I am going to provide whole day of sunlight. Let's take a look at the updates. This is the result after 65 days. Please accept my apologies. I should have recorded more updates, but somehow I forgot as I was doing lots of short videos. Anyway, reported 3 plants that day and glad that all are doing really well. Now here are the important things. So far I haven't sprayed any fungicide like SAF or any other and not planning to do so. Within next 2 to 3 days I would repeat all those 3 components as I have shown before. I also don't do deadheading. It's not that important to do so, and here we can already see the seed pods. We can just let it develop and collect the seeds when the seed pods turn brown. I also try to keep my plants clean so that they don't get any fungal disease. As of now, my plants are free from any diseases and it's definitely because of the fungicide. But please note that vinca stem canker disease is quite common like I said before, and it's bound to happen in rainy season. So in the rainy season, try to protect your plants from continuous rainfall. Or else you can grow a specific variety which is fungus free and it's known as Cora apricot vinca. Unfortunately, it's not available in India and that's why I am showing with the pics. In many other places, it's already available. Minimum 5 to 6 hours of direct sunlight is needed or else they become leggy, something like this, and they also bloom less. For water, please be extremely careful and always let the topsoil dry out something like this. Avoid watering at any cost if the soil look like this. So what are the components I have been using? It's nothing but potassium humate. The product whatever I use, it contains 80% potassium humate and 20% other humus material. Dose is 2 grams in 1 liter water and we can apply once in 25 to 30 days. Around 300 ml for a pot like this is enough. It helps in flowering and we can apply on any plants. Ideally, we can start applying as soon as we see the buds on our plants. Like Vincas, we also find many problems on our roses in rainy season. But if you follow my tips, you would be able to grow healthy rose plants easily. For more info, you can check out the next video. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I would really appreciate if you give it a like, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you are new to Gardening Upbeat. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and enjoy.